Question number 28. Light of wavelength lambda is emitted from two point sources R and S, and falls onto a distant screen. Okay. At point P on the screen, the light intensity is 0. Light intensity 0. What would explain the 0 intensity at P? Okay, when can you get it here? When the path difference is equal to lambda by 2. Okay, this is what should be the condition, right? Because one ray of light will come like this, the other ray of light will come like this over here. Sorry, other ray of light will come like this over here, and then if this will give you one wave like this should also give you a wave like this over here. Okay, and if this positive and this positive join together, you get a larger value. If this positive combines with a negative value, then you will get a 0 value. That's what is the interference. So now light from two sources emitted 180 degree out of phase. See, whenever this out of phase, there is no interference at all. So whenever whichever options you have, out of phase is incorrect. Out of phase, out of phase. So strike out these two. This is not possible. They should be in phase. That's what you meant by coherence, right? So therefore it should be in phase. So these two goes away. Now they are in phase and they are in phase. Okay, and path difference is equal to lambda by 2. I already told you. So this also goes away. So D should be your right answer.